Telangana, a land of hidden beauty. Nestled in the southern part of India, this state is often overlooked by travelers, yet it holds a treasure trove of natural and cultural wonders waiting to be explored. India is a land of many wonders. From the towering peaks of the Himalayas to the serene shores of the Indian Ocean, it is a country of diverse landscapes and rich history. Each region has its own unique charm and story to tell. In the heart of India lies Telangana, a state brimming with hidden gems and breathtaking scenery. This land is a blend of natural beauty and historical significance, offering a unique experience for those who venture here. Telangana is a landlocked state. This means it is surrounded by other states, not oceans. Despite this, it is rich in water bodies, with rivers like the Godavari and Krishna flowing through its terrain, adding to its scenic beauty. Despite this, it boasts a unique charm. Lush green forests, sparkling waterfalls, and ancient temples await those who seek adventure. The state is home to several wildlife sanctuaries and national parks, making it a haven for nature enthusiasts. Telangana is a relatively new state. It was formed in 2014 after a long and persistent movement for statehood. This new beginning has allowed Telangana to carve out its own identity and showcase its rich heritage. But its history stretches back centuries. The land is steeped in ancient legends and stories. From the mighty Kakatiya dynasty to the Nizams of Hyderabad, Telangana has been a significant player in India's historical narrative. These stories are visible in the many forts, temples, and monuments that dot the landscape, each telling a tale of a glorious past. The iconic Golconda Fort, the majestic Warangal Fort, and the intricate architecture of the Ramappa Temple are just a few examples of its rich heritage. Come, let us journey together through this enchanting land. We will discover the hidden treasures that make Telangana a true paradise for nature lovers and history buffs alike. From the bustling city of Hyderabad with its modern amenities and historical landmarks, to the tranquil countryside with its serene landscapes and traditional villages, Telangana offers a diverse and enriching experience. Whether you are an adventurer, a history enthusiast, or simply someone looking to explore new horizons, Telangana promises to captivate your heart and soul. Our first stop takes us to the magnificent Nagarjuna Sagar, a marvel of modern engineering and a symbol of human ingenuity. This is home to one of the largest masonry dams in the world, a structure that stands as a testament to the capabilities of human engineering. The Nagarjuna Sagar Dam, with its intricate masonry and robust construction, is a testament to human engineering prowess and determination. It stands tall, holding back the mighty Krishna River, which flows with a force that is both awe-inspiring and humbling. The dam creates a massive lake, also called Nagarjuna Sagar, which stretches as far as the eye can see, providing water for irrigation and drinking purposes to millions. This lake is a sight to behold, with its serene waters and picturesque surroundings that offer a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. The sheer size of the dam is awe-inspiring, standing as a colossal guardian of the waters it holds back. But the surrounding landscape adds to its beauty, with rolling hills and lush greenery that create a breathtaking panorama. Rolling hills and lush greenery frame the lake, making it a perfect spot for nature enthusiasts and photographers alike. The water sparkles under the sun, creating a dazzling display of light that dances on the surface of the lake. Visitors can take boat rides on the lake, offering a unique perspective of the dam and its surroundings. This allows for a closer look at the dam and the surrounding scenery, providing an unforgettable experience for all who visit. The Nagarjuna Sagar Dam is not just a feat of engineering, it is a symbol of the harmonious coexistence of human innovation and natural beauty. It is also a haven for nature lovers, offering a tranquil retreat where one can connect with the natural world and appreciate the wonders of both human and natural creation. Our next destination takes us back in time. We arrive at the Ramappa Temple, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This 13th century temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva. It is a masterpiece of Kakatiya architecture. The temple is known for its intricate carvings and stunning sculptures. Every inch of the temple tells a story, from the celestial beings carved on the ceilings to the mythical creatures adorning the walls. The Ramappa Temple is a testament to the artistry of the Kakatiya dynasty. The temple is built with a unique kind of brick. These bricks are so light they can float on water. This unique feature adds to the allure of this architectural marvel. Our journey through Telangana continues. We now find ourselves at the edge of a precipice. Before us, the Kuntala waterfall cascades down in a mesmerizing spectacle. Located in the Sahyadri mountain range, Kuntala waterfall is the highest waterfall in Telangana. The water plunges from a height of over 200 feet. It creates a thunderous roar and a cloud of mist. The surrounding forest adds to the magic of the place. Sunlight filters through the canopy, creating a play of light and shadow. The air is fresh and invigorating. The Kuntala waterfall is a true natural wonder. It is a must-visit for any traveler seeking solace in the lap of nature. Section 5. Wildlife Adventures at Pocharam Wildlife Sanctuary. Our exploration now takes us deep into the wild. We arrive at the Pocharam Wildlife Sanctuary. This sanctuary is a haven for wildlife enthusiasts. It is home to a wide variety of flora and fauna. Tigers, leopards, and sloth bears roam freely within the sanctuary. The sanctuary is also a birdwatcher's paradise. Over 150 species of birds can be spotted here. Visitors can take jeep safaris to explore the sanctuary. They can witness the wonders of the wild up close. The Pocharam Wildlife Sanctuary offers a chance to connect with nature. It allows us to appreciate the importance of conservation efforts. Section 6. Beyond the familiar, more of Telangana's charm. Telangana, a state rich in history and natural beauty, has so much more to offer beyond its well-known landmarks. Telangana's beauty extends far beyond these iconic destinations. The countryside is a tapestry of lush fields, rolling hills, and quaint villages that paint a picture of serene rural life. The state is dotted with numerous other scenic spots, each one offering a unique experience. From tranquil lakes to majestic waterfalls, every corner of Telangana has a story to tell. For history enthusiasts, the Waterfall Fort stands as a testament to the Kakatiya dynasty's grandeur. Its massive stone walls and intricate carvings speak volumes about the architectural prowess of the era. The 1,000-pillar temple in Hanamkonda is another architectural marvel. This temple, with its 1,000 intricately carved pillars, is a symbol of the region's rich cultural heritage. It showcases the intricate craftsmanship of a bygone era. Each pillar tells a story, each carving a testament to the skill and dedication of the artisans. Nature lovers can find solace in the serene beauty of Laknavaram Lake. Surrounded by lush greenery, this lake is a perfect getaway for those seeking peace and tranquility. Here, they can enjoy boating and picnicking amidst serene surroundings. The calm waters and picturesque setting make it an ideal spot for a family outing or a quiet retreat. Another hidden gem is the Ethipothala waterfall. Nestled in the heart of nature, this waterfall is a sight to behold. It cascades down from a height of 70 feet, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. The sound of the water crashing down and the mist rising up create a magical atmosphere. Telangana's diverse landscape offers something for everyone. Whether you're a history buff, a nature enthusiast, or simply looking for a peaceful escape, this state has it all. From ancient forts and temples to serene lakes and waterfalls, Telangana is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. Section 7. Planning your Telangana adventure. Reaching Telangana is easy. The state is well connected by air, rail, and road. Hyderabad, the capital city, serves as the main gateway to the state. From Hyderabad, one can easily access the various scenic spots by road. Telangana has a pleasant climate for most of the year. The best time to visit is during the winter months, from October to March. During this time, the weather is pleasant, ideal for exploring the outdoors. Many tour operators offer packages to explore the scenic beauty of Telangana. Whether one prefers a luxurious getaway or a budget-friendly trip, there are options available for all. Section 8. What awaits you in Telangana? Telangana, with its hidden treasures and captivating beauty, promises an unforgettable experience. From the majestic Nagarjuna Sagar Dam to the serene Ramappa Temple, from the cascading Kuntala waterfall to the wildlife adventures at Pocharam, Telangana has something to offer every traveler. Whether you are a nature enthusiast, a history buff, or simply seeking a break from the mundane, Telangana welcomes you with open arms. Come, explore this land of hidden beauty and create memories that will last a lifetime. Section 9. Where to next? Our journey through the scenic wonders of Telangana ends here, but the world is full of incredible places waiting to be discovered. What part of the world should we explore next? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting adventures.